Hello everybody. Today we will study about Windows Time Service. Windows Time Service is a command line utility of Microsoft Windows systems used to troubleshoot issues related to time settings. This service can be started from services.msc, and once the service is started, you can open command prompt in run as administrator mode as shown in the figure. W32TM command has several variants, and for knowing each variant you can use the command W32TM slash help. This help command will provide you details of all the variants. Here in the video we are not covering all the variants of this command, but we will cover the important ones which we can use for troubleshooting the resync time. So first of all we will check the source of time using command W32TM slash query slash source. This command will provide you the source of the time. In the figure you can see it is showing local CMOS clock. So local CMOS clock is showing because in my case I have not configured network time server, or it is not connected to domain server, else it will show the different output. Now checking sync details. For checking sync details we have different command, and that is W32TM slash query slash status slash verbose. By using this command we can get the details of last sync, leap indicator, stratum, precision, and so on. This command generally provides all the possible details of the syncing. So finally we come at resync time. If at any case you find that time is incorrect or not resyncing, then you can run the command W32TM slash resync command to update the time or resync the command with the server. Once you run the command, you can check and confirm that time is updated. So thanks guys, it is all over for the day. Hope you enjoy the video and you find the answers to your queries. Thanks very much.